At Techzenure, we understand the urgent need to address environmental destruction and climate change. That's why we're leveraging the power of digital transformation to help reduce our carbon footprint and increase our efforts to protect the environment. Our digital transformation solutions can help you take advantage of renewable energy sources like wind, solar, and hydropower. These sources have become economically viable with the help of digital technologies. With our smart home systems, you can monitor and reduce your energy consumption. This helps lower your carbon emissions and contributes to a cleaner environment. Techzenure can also help you make the switch to electric cars and other modes of transportation powered by renewable energy. This reduces your reliance on fossil fuels and promotes a greener future. Our use of drones and sensors can monitor and track changes in the environment. We provide you with the insights you need to make better decisions for the planet. At Techzenure, we believe that digital transformation can play a key role in transforming our relationship with the environment. Join us in creating a more sustainable future for all of us. Techzenure, harnessing digital transformation for a greener world.